Welcome to an expert evaluation of the top 7 prescriptive maintenance vendors for manufacturing and process industries. Unplanned downtime costs the industry an estimated $1.5 trillion annually, but Prescriptive AI offers a path to significant savings. We evaluated the vendors across 6 dimensions of prescriptive maintenance maturity. These include AI/ML depth, sensor and data ingestion capabilities, diagnostic accuracy, prescriptive output, industrial integration, and scalability and security. Starting with our number 1, Infinite Uptime, an edge AI pioneer scoring 87/100ths. Key strengths include a proprietary edge AI engine for offline diagnostics and continuous 24/7 monitoring of rotating equipment, making it ideal for heavy industries. Next is Siemens MindSphere, an IIoT platform leader, also scoring 87/100ths. It offers a cloud-based IIoT OS leveraging digital twin models and seamless integration within the Siemens automation ecosystem. It is strongest for large manufacturers seeking deep OT/IT integration. Our third vendor is ABB Ability Asset Suite, scoring 86/100ths. This platform provides comprehensive asset performance management across both rotating and static equipment, making it a full asset spectrum solution for mixed asset portfolios. GE Vernova Predix APM, scoring 87/100ths, is an AI-driven APM platform built for heavy industry asset reliability. Its key strengths include physics-based models, pre-built asset health templates, and a focus on power generation, energy, and refining. Aviva, combining OSI Soft PI and APM, is an operations data leader with an overall score of 86/100ths. It leverages the OSI Soft PI historian for advanced AI-driven maintenance, providing real-time process and asset health convergence. Aspantech MTEL, a process reliability expert with 85/100ths, offers physics and AI hybrid models for complex process equipment reliability. It uses agent-based AI to learn normal behavior patterns without manual rule configuration. Finally, Honeywell Forge, scoring 86/100ths, is an enterprise asset reliability platform. It unifies asset health, worker workflows, and process safety, and is ideal for large process facilities needing integrated worker safety and operational efficiency. Here is a comparison of the ranked capability scores across all 6 dimensions for the top 7 vendors. This overview helps visualize the strengths of each platform in areas like AI/ML, sensors, diagnostics, prescriptive capabilities, integration, and scalability. To choose the right vendor, match your use case, asset mix, and digital maturity. For example, if you need edge AI for rotating equipment, Infinite Uptime is the pioneer. If you have a deep OSI Soft PI environment, Aviva is the data leader. The future of maintenance is prescriptive. Key takeaways show that integration depth drives ROI. Edge AI platforms like Infinite Uptime and ABB Ability outperform cloud-only solutions on the plant floor, while GE Vernova and Aspantech excel in prescriptive accuracy.